Hi, I'm Kevin Brains. I'm Senior Director of Product Management for Sustainability Cloud.
Hi, I'm Apricot Tang. I'm Accenture's go-to-market lead for our sustainability partnership with Salesforce.
Salesforce and Accenture really complement each other in a variety of ways in bringing sustainability to the core. So, what Salesforce brings is really deep innovation and that deep product expertise and how to build software products and how to solve those software challenges, those IT and data management challenges. Accenture really brings that kind of deep functional and industry expertise. And when we put those two things together, it's a really nice mix.
Every single person on the team is focused on making the world a better place, ensuring that we're reducing our carbon emissions and helping our clients get there. The entire partnership was built to tackle these challenges.
Some of the challenges that our customers confront are, from the very beginning, just knowing what their picture is in terms of carbon emissions or diversity and inclusion metrics or anything that you can talk about in the environmental, social, and governance space. After that, how do I take action now that I have collected that data?
Sustainability Cloud is built to solve this exact problem. How do you understand your impact on the climate crisis? That's really where the combination of Accenture's deep industry expertise and Salesforce Sustainability Cloud come into play.
It's not just about software, but it's also about how do you take the insights that you get from the software out to the rest of your company. That's where this collaboration really shines.
Even thinking about how do I share this data in a visual, kind of digestible way, whether that's through infographics or dashboards that can be embedded across external and internal sites.
If you can imagine you're in a company working on your carbon footprint in a spreadsheet, the chances that your CEO is ever going to see any information are pretty much zero. When you move it into the Sustainability Cloud, now you have data in a democratized way that is available to everybody.
You're suddenly able to understand in a very seamless kind of drill down view what's driving emissions at your business. And based on the frequency at which you're updating the system, you can begin to make decisions more frequently, whether that's monthly or quarterly.
Sustainability Cloud can really help you do an analysis of how much carbon is coming out of your value chain. It turns out that business travel is a huge component of a lot of companies' carbon footprints. Top executives at companies had no idea that was true until they see the data right in front of them. So it's those kinds of data insights that companies really have never had before that they're starting to get out of Sustainability Cloud.
Salesforce and Accenture work so closely with our clients that we understand their businesses in and out, and it ensures that we have a really holistic understanding of our clients. And I think that makes us incredibly valuable partners as we think about tackling broader problems.
Sustainability Cloud is built on the Salesforce Customer 360 platform. To see how all this works in practice, I'll play the role of the CEO of Northern Trail Outfitters, a fictional company. Let's dive into the demo. Powerful Tableau dashboards allow me to visualize all of our ESG data to discover trends and identify the most strategic areas for improvement. I can report on it and I can act on it. Here's a fascinating insight in our ESG data. We are seeing the highest customer loyalty to our brand in regions where we exceed our employee diversity targets. My teams can definitely use that kind of data. Where else do I need to focus? One of our environmental goals is to achieve net zero carbon emissions. As an example of ESG data at work, let's dive into the carbon data and see how we can get to net zero. Sustainability Cloud automatically calculates Northern Trail's emissions from sources like electricity, business travel, and fuel use. This saves my team from working in spreadsheets. It opens the data to everybody in the company and gives my teams deep insights into their impacts on our ESG performance. We can see from our data that a majority of our emissions are indirect, really from our upstream suppliers. We're a retailer, so this isn't surprising, but we need to understand our supply chain's impact so that we can share reliable data with our customers and our partners. This year, our board is pushing us to set ambitious targets, but maybe even more importantly, I really want us to exceed our customer expectations, and we're going to do that by cutting the carbon footprint of our product portfolio by 40%. Since so much of our carbon is in our upstream value chain, this will require us to engage our suppliers in new ways. By using Salesforce's Experience Cloud, my team gave our suppliers a way to interact directly with us on their ESG data and their progress. We have our suppliers log in and join us on the journey to reducing carbon in our products. With the Salesforce Customer 360 platform, we can then aggregate our supplier data to create targeted engagement strategies to enable our suppliers along their sustainability journeys and reduce the impact across our value chain. Now that we have data from our suppliers, we can build marketing campaigns to target customers that we know resonate strongly with sustainable products. Using Journey Builder in Marketing Cloud, we segment and automate outreach with personalized alerts to keep them up to date on our sustainability standards and goals, and to drive them to our lowest carbon intensity products. All this work has enabled us to add digital labels on our e-commerce site to provide transparency into the carbon footprint of our products. We've already seen demand for those products go up, and we've seen an overall revenue increase, which our board is very happy about. And look, we all know that minimizing the carbon impact across our value chain is just the start. Every area of Northern Trail's business has a role to play in our long-term sustainability journey. Many of you are beginning to experience the same sustainability imperative as Northern Trail in this demo. Accenture and Salesforce are excited to partner with you on your journey as we continue to evolve this joint offering.